Navigating a massive city like Toronto might seem intimidating, but its subway system is actually one of the easiest to master. With a simple layout focused around two main lines, getting lost is practically a challenge. Line 1 forms a massive U-shape connecting the north to the downtown core at Union Station, while Line 2 cuts straight across east to west. Clear automated audio announcements tell you exactly which station is coming up next, so you never miss a stop. Paying for your trip is just as effortless. Instead of buying paper tickets or waiting in long lines, you can simply tap your contactless credit card, debit card, or phone directly at the fare gates. A single tap unlocks a 2-hour transfer window across all subways, buses, and streetcars, making multi-stop trips completely seamless. During peak hours, trains arrive every 2 to 3 minutes, keeping your travel fast and reliable. For an even smoother journey, just keep an eye out for weekend maintenance notices, where free shuttle buses step in to replace train segments. With straightforward signage and modern payment options, riding the Toronto subway is as stress-free as it gets.